And Dr. Darien, you want to tell us about the importance of getting the MMR vaccine.
Yeah, measles, mumps, rubella, that's what it stands for. So as we're stepping into this new school year, it's just an important reminder for parents out there to make sure that their children are up to date on their measles vaccine. Most recent numbers showed that in 2022, more than 250,000 children were not up to date. And of course, every now and then we see these outbreaks. And measles is not just a rash. It can have complications of something called encephalitis, which can include swelling of the brain and lead to permanent neurologic injury. So it's so important, if you haven't already done so, to make sure you're up to date.
What do you do if you're not up to date?
You can just simply get up to date. And so my advice is, if you haven't gotten your child their vaccine yet and you feel like you're out of the loop or you feel like you're not on time, you can bring your child to your pediatrician, and it's recommended between the ages of 1 and 12. If you haven't got it, you missed a year, you can just get them all when you need it.
Is this something you need like a booster for? I actually don't know when I got this. I assume I did at some point in school, but how do I check, or do I need a booster? For
the most part, people who have grown up within the United States, there's a recommended guidelines that are double checked by the school. So for most, I would say not worry in your adult life. Now, if you've grown up in a different place or you feel like you might not have gotten any of your vaccines, that's a conversation to have. But yes, there's a whole paragraph and all these algorithms that we use in medicine to understand what vaccine is needed at what time. And it's very straightforward for us, so just ask your doctor.
And a lot of this is just because of COVID. People weren't going to the doctor's office.
Yeah, a lot of people miss that. They miss their preventative screenings. So this is the time where we need to get back on track. Like I said yesterday, those mammograms, those colonoscopies, all those things you want to make sure you get out of the way, especially as we begin this new academic year.
Okay, very helpful. Thank you, Dr. Darien.
Of course.
Everyone get that vaccine, get up to date if you can, and follow Dr. Darien's advice, generally.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.